Hey friends, welcome. It's a glorious day. Loving up, making that connection. I got my little book of zingers here, opening it up to number 194. Says, looking back is looking out the wrong window. I must have been like dwelling on the past that day, okay? Looking back is looking out the wrong window. So just imagine driving your car and looking backwards, okay? Even driving your car while looking in the rearview mirror is probably not smart. So looking at the past can be not so good for you. It may not be helping you to move towards a divinely inspired, glorious future. Now, if you're looking at the past and you're remembering amazing peak experiences and you're filling up with, oxytocin, love chemicals, dopamine, all the good stuff, that's great. That's not what we're talking about here. If you're looking at the past with a sense of regret or limitation or obstacle, or I wonder what's wrong with me, or I need to reflect on these bad decisions I made so I can do better in the future, that's not helpful because it just presents negativity, okay? It just puts that in your field, lowers your vibration, and it is like driving, looking out the rear window. Sure hope I don't make that mistake again. And you don't ever want to ask why when it's about something's wrong with you, okay? Wonder why I can't get it right. You don't want to ask a question like that. You just want to go, wow, I'm moving forward. I've got confidence. I'm going to make it happen. So reflecting on the past might not be the best thing to do, all right? Looking back is looking out the wrong window when driving, okay? Just a little thought from the Book of Zingers. Hope you can get some value out of that. Thank you.